Think back to the last time you used the Internet. What website did you go to? Maybe a magazine, a fan club, or a news site. When you did you type in the numbers of that company's IP address to connect to them? Probably not. Instead, you typed in a series of letters and words. The reason for this is because humans are just not that good at remembering numbers. So IP uses a system called DNS for Domain Name Service. The DNS associates a site's IP address with a name that's easy to remember. A good example is the CNN news site. To go to their site, you simply type www.cnn.com. You don't have to know the IP address for this site. Then, somewhere in the network, a DNS server connects that name to an IP address, and your packets use that address to head off to the website. Basically, domain names prevent users from having to remember the numerical IP addresses of the sites they want to visit. The tables of domain names and corresponding IP addresses are distributed globally on DNS servers throughout the Internet. Large organizations often have their own DNS servers that contain the IP addresses of devices on their network so other users around the world can communicate with them across the Internet. An ISP can provide this service as well. When you type an address into your web browser, the DNS server either maps it to an IP address or forwards the request on to another DNS server. All of this is invisible to you, the user.